Imagine this. You're dancing away at a music festival when you realize your phone needs charging, or else you won't be able to find your way back to your friends for the headliner at 10. You look around, but surprise, surprise, there aren't a lot of plugs in the middle of the forest. Perhaps there's a charging station nearby. After a quick walk down a dirt path, you come across this stand-up solar panel. It provides you immediate access to charge your phone and organize a meeting place with your friends, thanks to the Easy Panel, the off-grid power generator built with refurbished solar panels. SunCrafter is pairing the circular economy with clean energy in an innovative project called Easy Panel. The ambitious team's first product has been launched successfully in the events market as an upcycled, off-grid energy source for 200 to 600 watt purposes. We had the chance to speak with the founder of SunCrafter, Lisa Venzic, in Abu Dhabi at the World Energy Congress last year.
Upcycling makes a lot of sense because there's a lot of PV panels actually going to waste, and it's like a very valuable energy source, and we have found the means to reuse them so they don't need to be recycled. Apart from that problem, we're really trying to fix the energy access problem by providing this super affordable system and very easy tech system. So it's affordable, of course, because of the upcycling, also because of the off-grid aspect, because you don't need the infrastructure. So it's all made to be as maintenance-free as possible. And I think this is a real crucial aspect when you're looking into energy access, because in many places where energy access is a topic, you don't have much like service ability or maintenance ability.
The company has basically repackaged refurbished PV panels into grid-free power stations. The stations are limited to operations requiring 200 to 600 watts, so they're useful for applications such as charging basic necessities or running lamps. The solar panel sits on the ground and is big enough that most anyone could carry it. One potential application could be rural areas where it's normal for people to travel miles to charge their personal devices. The Easy Panel would make it possible to bring charging points directly to homes to save time and travel for rural inhabitants. The company sees this as a future potential market.
So the core product is the SunCrafter Easy Panel, and that's pretty much just a disused solar panel that we upcycle with our particular technology, and that makes the panel like a lower voltage output, gives it a lower voltage output, and makes it just very robust. And you can charge your device right off the panel if you want to. And we are sort of like embedding this technology into different environments depending on the use case. So what we've been working on the last years was mainly the event sector, where we provide temporary event energy infrastructure. And the next market we're entering is micro e-mobility.
SunCrafter has taken its own approach to building its presence in the energy startup scene. A common saying in the startup scene is move fast and break things, and while the risk-taking ability is part of the thrill of the industry, SunCrafter believes there's a benefit to doing it another way. Lisa and the SunCrafter team have taken a unique approach to entering their target market of humanitarian aid, a market worth about 1.8 billion euros.
So we are pretty much building in 4 stages. Our ultimate target market is humanitarian aid, which is what we initially started out to do. And we've taken a very low-risk entrance with events. So now we're like financially stable and independent in the event market and heading into the public space and to urban infrastructure. I think if you get money very early, I could imagine you're more bound to make mistakes faster. And I know that's a requirement in the startup scene. It's like move fast and break things. But it's not the only way to do things. You can also take it a little bit slower and do something solid before you head on to the next thing. I think we're proving that that works. And I think it shouldn't be so narrow-minded that there's only one way of doing startup. I don't really see that. I think it's also a legitimate way to do a bit of everything.
With the current crisis underway, it will be a while till we are able to attend events and worry about charging our electronics. But in the meantime, SunCrafter has pivoted to make sure these future experiences will also be sanitary. The team built a portable UVC hand sanitizing station, earning them a winning position in the global hack. For now, we'll have to wait to try it ourselves, but in the meantime, you can check out more about their technology from home at suncrafter.org.